So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, this is Lax Gaming. So for today's video guys, it is all about the Clemens Platinum Coupon. So kung nakikita nyo dito, nakalagay naman yung if you failed to combine or combination from March 11 to July 8, no? So you can retry combining the higher grade among the grades with failed combinations attempt. So, pag nagkaroon tayo ng mga failed combinations attempt, yung pinakamataas na failed combinations attempt natin, for example, nagkaroon tayo ng attempt ng Legend to Mythic, edi magkakaroon tayo ng retry nun. Parang another chance of getting mythical weapon style or mount. And so, here guys, meron tayong mission, Clemens Summer Mission Mount and Weapon Style. So, madali lang naman itong tapusin guys. You just can craft 20 times and enhance 30 times. No? 20 craft, 30 na enhance. Then also the all dungeon monsters 5,000. So, sobrang bilis lang matapos nito and sobrang bilis lang makuha nitong Clemens Coupon na ito. Ano? And so, try natin, no? Gamitin na natin about sa Mount Clemens Coupon. And so, as you can see here, guys, yung combination natin, wala tayong epic to legendary try ng combination. We only have rare to epic combination. So, it means, ang maire-retry lang natin dun sa Clemens na yun is rare to epic. Ayan, so, tingnan natin. Try natin na guys yung ating Mount Clemens Coupon. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, retry epic grade. Ayan, so nandito lang tayo sa epic grade. It's because rare lang at yung combination field natin, no, yung nai-combine natin before this event nung March to July is rare to epic lang. So, eto makikita nyo guys, pag umiilaw itong retry legendary grade, it means eligible tayo for retrying that epic to legendary Clemens Coupon retried. So, pag meron naman tayong mythic na guys, for example na nag-combine tayo ng legendary mount or weapon style to mythical, then hindi siya pumasok. So, magkakaroon tayo ng another try or retry dahil dito sa Clemens Coupon na to, no? Ayan, so, ang kagandahan lang dito guys, no? For example, 5 beses na tayo nagkaroon ng Clemens Coupon about retry. Yung pang 5 beses natin, magiging sure ball. For example, mythic. Ayan, so pang 5 chance na natin yun ng Clemens Coupon. So, yung pang 5 beses na yun, it means sure ball na yun. Automatic mythic yung makukuha natin doon or legendary or epic. And so, depende kung ano yung pinakamataas na retried combination natin, no guys? Ayan, so, ayan, tingnan na natin itong ating retry epic grade. Sana makakuha tayo epic. Pag malis-malis dito guys, baka maging ano lang tayo, no? Ayan, so, pumasok, nagkaroon tayo epic. Nakita nyo naman, ano yun, no? Yun yung failed combination natin ng rare to epic mount. So, pumasok siya, naging siya epic mount. Ayun, so, ganun lang kadali, guys. Basta laging ano yan, 4 months, every 100 days ata yung Clemens na to, guys, no? Tandaan nyo, every 100 days laging inilalabas itong Clemens Coupon. So, sa mga nakadami na ng field about Clemens Coupon, pang 5 beses na ng Clemens Coupon ngayon, ano, it's because 500 days na nitong game, nitong Night Crows, no? So, pang 500 days na niya to. So, it means pang 5 times na inilabas itong Clemens na to. So, yung mga nagkaroon ng attempt about mythical na pang 5 times na ngayon na hindi pa pumapasok. So, ngayon, meron na silang sure ball na mythical or legendary mount or weapon style. So that's all for today's video guys. Sana nakatulong sa inyo and kita-kits sa susunod na video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para laging updated ka. Yun lang guys. Bye bye. See ya.